Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video tutorial where we are gonna teach you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. Now here get the straws and you need to end up making a beautiful wheel and then the bicycle. Isn't it looking cool enough? Get the seat made and this is gonna look amazing. Proceeding in this manner, get the straw and cut it like this in this form. Let's see what are we gonna do out of it. You have to get them pressed all over it and then get this wheel-like structure and then make it in this form. Cool, right? Now here, you have to get a plastic cup, get the cut from the bottom and further you have to arrange it beautifully, get the curve from the top and make it in this manner. This is gonna look pretty cool and then over the cup you need to make these patterns like this. Further arranging the sheets in this way, you have to make it in this manner, make it a little bouncy and this is gonna look amazing. Now here you have to make the adorable rabbits like this and further over the holes you have to stick it further, get them beautifully arranged the straws like this and this is gonna look amazing. Isn't it looking pretty enough? Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, you have to arrange this in this manner and your seesaw is always ready to go. Now here get these ice cream sticks, cut the curvy part and then you need to arrange them together in this form. Further you need to paste the bamboo sticks like this and then you're gonna arrange them in this manner. Then get it in this form and this is yet ready to go. Isn't it cool enough? Now here you need to get these sticks, arrange them all over the other. You need to paste them together in this manner, one over the other, make the layers like this and your table is gonna be ready. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Now here get the ice cream sticks, you need to arrange them over the patterns like this and then get it beautifully arranged one over the other in a layers like this and then you're gonna make this look awesome. Isn't it cool enough? Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, you have to get the sticks, arrange them together in this way, make the layers in a triangular pattern and here you're gonna make this in this way. This is gonna look amazing. Now with the help of glue gun, you have to just paste the sticks all around and this is gonna look amazing. Isn't it looking pretty cool? Now here you have to get the seats arranged and then make it in this manner, arrange it like this as we are showing here, get it beautifully arranged and this handling is ready. Isn't it cool enough? Keep on proceeding. What are we gonna do here? Again get the ice cream sticks and then you need to arrange them together. Get them beautifully arranged as we are showing here in the video and then make it look like this and your 2-floor bed is always ready to go. Now here get a bottle and then make a hole from the bottom. What are we gonna do? Just color the sticks further in this way, get it arranged in this form and then get the string out of the hole in this manner and then tie them together, keep it inside and your rocket is gonna be ready. This is amazing, you can spin it as always. Further here get a box, you need to make these patterns like this. Now get these sticks around and you need to just paste it all over in this manner and you can always play with the help of your ball. This is gonna be amazing, isn't it cool enough? Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, you need to get the straws, arrange them in this pattern all over the plastic cup and then you need to do it in this way, getting it beautifully arranged over it and then this pen holder is gonna be ready. Cool, right? Now here you have to make this beautiful lovely chair and then make it look like this. Over it you need to paste it further and this is be ready. Isn't it cool enough? Now here you have to get some beautiful lovely spirals made and then you need to get the earbuds, arrange them and then you need to color them together, paste them in this form and this is gonna look amazing. Put it over a clay and this is gonna look damn pretty. Isn't it cool enough? Let's see what are we gonna do out of it. You have to make a hole further in this way. This is amazing. I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our videos. We will be back with other exciting videos. Till then take care and thank you for watching.